Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Suci Sahputri. I'm from Class for Management with number M.Mpd 10121047. In this video, I will talk about health, and this video was made to fulfill the final semester evaluation assignment of English course, and let's see the video. Hi everyone, I am Suci Sahputri. I'm a student at college. I'm college in Digitech University. I usually go to college at 7 a.m. with my motorcycle. The distance from my home to campus is 12 kilometers. Driving in the morning makes me very prone to cold, especially when the weather is uncertain like today. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's rain. In the past months, I have been sick twice, either with the flu or catching cold. Therefore, I should have taken better care of my health, like I should have been driving with wear jacket. I shouldn't be late for meals, eat healthy food, consume vitamins, drink lots of water, and exercise diligently to maintain my body's metabolism so that I don't get sick easily. Likewise, all of you should be able to maintain your health by always wear a jacket when drive a motorcycle, take some vitamins, shouldn't be late for meals, and drink a lot of water, especially when the weather is Argentine like this. So is the video. Sorry if there are mistakes in this video. Thank you so much and see you.